Hi, welcome to Everyday Cocktails. Through this series of videos we're going to try and demystify and simplify some of the science behind the making of cocktails in the UK. A good place to start are sugar syrups. A lot of barmen and mixologists have their own formula for sugar syrup, but basically it boils down to 1 part sugar, 1 part water. Simple as that. So let's put the ingredients in. So we have 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. One way of enhancing the sugar syrups is to actually add the flavours while it's boiling. I mean, today, for instance, I've got some nice fresh mint here, and basically all we do is throw this mint into the boiling sugar syrup, stir it around, let it boil through. So we take it off the heat, put it to one side and let it cool. The beauty of flavouring your own syrups is that they keep for 3-4 weeks. So here I've done a ginger syrup where I boiled up the ginger, and here I did a lemon syrup, again just boiled up the lemon with the sugar syrup. Once these have cooled down, you can put them in these containers, put them in the fridge. They'll last you 3, 4, 5 weeks.